Have you ever felt like you're spending countless hours sifting through Google search results only to find yourself more confused and overwhelmed? You are not alone. In fact, it is now time to accept that, and I can't believe I'm saying this, Google search is outdated. Ever since ChatGPT became the fastest growing app, reaching 100 million users in just over 2 months, Google has declared a code red, which is basically all hands on deck for the company. Why? Because of one simple truth. The future of search is AI powered. With the release of groundbreaking tools such as ChatGPT, Bing AI, and Bard, using Google has now become inefficient use of time. Take this example where you want to find out how long to roast chicken. Instead, you get littered with advertisements, search engine optimized articles that fail to give me exactly what I need. Ask AI search engines and you will not only get the exact answer, but have your own personal chef assistant to follow up on those questions. We live in a world where information and content are constantly bombarding our minds. Humans have not adapted to this level of complexity or frequency. And as a result, a ton of energy and time is wasted processing all this information, leaving us completely drained by the end of the day. But do not worry, in this video, we are going to explore how Bing AI has saved me an insane amount of time and how it can make you superhuman in the way you learn and process information. So when Bing AI launched, you had to join the waitlist, but now it is open to anyone with a Microsoft Edge web browser. I would recommend getting one of the insider channels where you get the latest updates at either a 4 weeks, weekly, or daily schedule. Dev channel is perfectly capable, so pick this one. Once you've downloaded your Microsoft Edge dev browser, head over to www.bing.com and click the chat option. This is where you will get access to the AI-powered search engine similar to ChatGPT, your co-pilot for the web, as Microsoft says. You'll be given 3 conversational styles. One, creative, which gives you longer, more imaginative answers. Precise, which is more factual and shorter. And balanced, which is the best of both worlds. I think going through balanced is perfectly capable, but depending on your style, just pick the one you need. So I'm going to take you through some personal workflows and questions that I would ask Bing AI to really save myself an insane amount of time. Something that would have taken far longer using Google search. So in this particular example, I am comparing the products between 2 different MacBooks, the M1 and the M2. And the key prompt here is to provide a table of specifications. Something that would have taken multiple articles is now condensed in a table, which I can then go and verify, because sometimes it does hallucinate answers, like ChatGPT. But then, within its same context, ask it more questions, such as the price. So this is the power of quick information. So I've purchased a credit card and I want to buy shares online through Sharesies, but I don't know what interest or even fees I will incur if I do this method. A simple ask in Bing gives me a bunch of information from both ANZ and Sharesies, but it says that it can't find information on that particular thing I'm asking for. So then I ask it to generate an email that I can then copy and send over to the bank. So now, right here, time saved. So right here, I'm asking a question that involves a lot of complexity with financial markets, events, and it would be a lot of research to understand this particular reason. But I've invested in Lucid Group, and my stocks have decreased significantly. Give me key details and events as to why this company has failed. It gives you reasons and links those reasons from several articles. And I won't go through the detail of this particular stock fail, but you can go through and understand why, and even go through further detail if you need. So here is where the power of Bing AI can help you understand complex academic papers. So this particular one is interesting, where it claims that GPT-4 has sparks of artificial general intelligence. So Bing Insider allows you to open up the chat at the top right, and once you go into the paper, it already right here has given me some key takeaways from the page, which is awesome. But say I want to summarize a particular part of this research paper. I have highlighted this text, it has understood that, and I'm sending those characters in. Once I've sent it in, it is giving me options to either explain, revise, or summarize. I want to summarize this. And right here, something that would have taken me several hours can be put in very simple terms. Now to test Bing AI's creative side, where I've received an unfortunate injury playing basketball, and I need an evidence-based workout that will help me recover and regain my strength. This is where you see a bit of character as well, giving me an apology and wishing me well on my recovery. But the key here is something that would have taken me multiple articles of research and develop my own plan is now simply given through this 4-exercise routine, all with links to different articles. So as we've seen throughout this video, the real game changer with Bing AI is that you can use the AI search engine capability to condense information in such a natural and easily digestible format. Like, all the examples I showed you may have taken several minutes to hours, but now, in a matter of seconds, you are able to get that information. Every financial book teaches you this fundamental rule, that time is money. And by slashing the time that you spend using tools like Bing AI, we have now seen startups, individuals, companies double their output in a fraction of the time. And here is the best part. With the information now presented in such an easy manner, those who harness this power will be able to create business ideas, launch products, generate content at unprecedented speeds, eventually leading to consistent income generation. So I recommend that you go ahead and master these incredible tools to truly unlock your superhuman capability. And you will seriously learn at a rate that others will not be able to compete. If you're interested in upskilling as a DevOps engineer, check out my previous video where I dive into this topic using ChatGPT. But if you're passionate about AI like me, make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks to harness the power of AI to unlock our limitless potential.